Welcome to Cottage. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and on the right side we have a sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have dining counter with 2 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have a bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have a ventilator for exhaust fan arrangement. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.